In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your very own DIY triangle arch for your wedding day. My very talented friend Bobby Schneider is back, and he's going to walk us step by step on how to build this DIY triangle arch. And here we go.
These are all the tools that you will need to build your arch. You'll need a wood chisel, an impact driver, a tape measure, a hammer, screws, circular saw, you need a speed square, and a jigsaw. You need two 2x4x10 and one 2x6x10. So to start laying out our triangle, we want to make a 45-degree angle at the top. We're going to use our speed square to make sure it is at 45 degrees or as close as we can get. We're going to trace the edges to get our cut marks for our half lap joint. Then we're going to take the speed square and connect the dots, draw some lines on the top part of the triangle. Once the dots are connected, those will be the half lap joints. We're going to take our circular saw and do half the width of the 2x material, which is 3/4 of an inch. We're going to set the depth and make our cuts. Once all your cuts have been made, grab your hammer and remove the bulk of the half lap joint. Once the bulk has been removed, use your wood chisel to clean up the rest of the joint. After your test fit, repeat the process on the other leg of the triangle. Once both sides of the half lap joint have been cleaned up, go for the final test fit. Once you ensure a tight fit, grab your screws and attach with 4 1/4" screws so it doesn't protrude through the other side. To get the final height of
94.25 inches,
each side of the triangle needs to be 102 inches long. Once you have your 102-inch length marked, remove the screws and make your final cuts. Your first cut will be to remove the remaining wood from the top of the triangle. These cuts will be 45 degrees, just like your half lap joints. So all of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. The peak of your triangle is 45 degrees. So 180 minus 45 is 135 degrees. Then you have 2 angles on the bottom. So 135 divided by 2 is 67.5 degrees. To achieve the 67.5 degree angle, set your chop saw to 22.5 degrees. 22.5 degrees is the same angle as 67.5 degrees. Once both sides have been cut, place the half lap joint back together and install your screws. Now we're going to take our 2x6x8 and we're going to cut out our feet. Each foot is going to be 2 feet long. Now for our feet, we're going to find the center, which is 12 inches. We're going to go 2 inches to the left and the right of the 12-inch mark. We're going to make a 3-inch line from the bottom of the foot all the way across our board. We're going to draw a 45-degree line from our 2-inch mark down to our 3-inch mark. Then we will come 2 inches in from each end and draw a 45-degree line from the 2-inch to the edge of the board. Gonna be our foot.
Time out real quick. I realized Bobby just threw a lot of numbers at you. If I were you, my head would be spinning right now. So we decided to actually make a blueprint, which you can find down in the description below. Click the link and it'll take you directly to all the measurements that you're going to need to build your very own DIY triangle arch. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to building with Bobby.
Once your foot has been laid out, proceed to the bandsaw and cut all of the excess material away. Once both feet have been cut, place the foot on the triangle and trace out your next cuts. Once your notches have been marked on the bottoms of the triangle sides, get your jigsaw and remove the material. Ensure a tight fit of the feet. Once the feet are attached, your triangle is near completion. Take it outside, slap on your favorite finish, and enjoy your brand new triangle arch.
If you're looking for some more wedding DIY inspiration, check out the playlist linked up on the screen now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.